first day. We're better than the rest. Starting from the first day. We've always been so blessed. We never have to worry about what life might throw at us. Because we have each other near, we've got who we can trust. I love us. Who'd we rather be? I just have to look around, there's no one else I see. I love us. Every day is fun. There's nobody else for me. You're the only one. I love us. Make each day our best day is what we try to do. Nothing gets in our way. The tough times we get through. The little things that could become bigger things aren't there. They keep on staying little things because we really care. I love us. Who'd we rather be? I just have to look around, there's no one else I see. I love us. Every day is fun. There's nobody else for me. You're the only one. I love us. Everybody knows it. Here's what people say. Tell us what's your secret to living every day. We look at you and want to have a relationship like that. Reaching for
I want to make the sauce. I added my garlic and onions together to fry. First of all, as I'm frying it, I also added my fresh tomatoes to it and fry everything together.
There's nobody else for me. You're the only one. I love us. Oh, I love us. We've got who we can trust. I love us. I love us. I love us.
At this point, I added some seasonings to taste. I added curry, thyme, and rosemary, oregano. I also added some nutmegs and my seasoning cube to taste.
I know what you want when it's you and me. Don't know what you see, but I'm not that easy. When I pump the brakes, why do you see green? I'm not ready, no, I'm not ready to love you. Don't make me love you. No, I don't want to. Don't make me, no, don't make me love you. Stop saying the words that I want to hear.
I added some salt to taste
This is clear.
and also added some grinded pepper just to make it a little bit pepperish, because I love it's so cold here and we love eating lots of pepper.
I'm not ready to love you. Don't make me love you. No, I don't want to.
So after turning everything together, I added my eggs and allow it to cook for some time before I turned it.
Don't make me, no, don't make me love you. Don't make me love you. Love you. Don't make me love you. I won't be a fantasy if you're not the one for me. I won't be a fantasy. Stop saying the words that I want to hear.
So as you can see, the egg sauce is already looking so yummy. and I added some freshly parsley leaf into it just to make it more enticing. Yes, you can see I just turned everything together and remove it from the cooker. And please guys, don't hesitate, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you some other time. Bye.